everyone. I would like to welcome new section. Here I am going to explain the new topic, food chain. What is mean by food chain? I hope all of you know about the food chain. This is one of the sequence of transferring the food one organism to another organism. For example, we are always depend the food, some vegetables, otherwise some flesh for our surviving. But here in our community, otherwise in our biotic community, each organism or each species depending different organisms. It is a type of chain. Is called food chain. So clearly I will explain that one. What is mean by food chain? Here a sequence of organisms through which food and its contained energy passes with other each members. See one example here. The energy passes to another levels. The example, the grass, insect, frog, snake, eagle. This is one best example for your better understanding. So the eagle always depend the food in snake. So the snake depend as a food frog and insect. Frog depend the food insect and the insect always depend the food grass. So this type of arrangement or the list or levels is called food chain. So here is a list of organisms who eats who in biotic community. I hope all of you know what is mean by biotic community. Communities means the different organisms living in a particular place. So here biotic community means they are only introducing the living organism in a particular area or place. So food chain, they are categorized by mainly two types. The first one aquatic food chain and the second one terrestrial food chain. Aquatic food chain and terrestrial food chain. What is mean by aquatic food chain? The aquatic food chain means it is only including means living in the water, including the water bodies only. And next one, terrestrial food chain. Terrestrial means that the organism in land, they are living in the land. So it is a best example for that terrestrial food chain. Okay, so I will explain about what is food chain and the levels. So here the grass and the insect or grasshoppers and the frog, snake and the eagle is a one sequence of food chain. Means the grass means producers. What is producers? The producer means, I hope all of you know this word, producer means producing the food in the help of sunlight. How to produce the food in the help of sunlight? The plants receiving the carbon dioxide and with the help of the water molecule combined together into form a glucose and oxygen. This oxygen liberated to atmosphere and the glucose utilizing for the metabolic activities of the grass. The remaining food stored in the part of the plant or grass. This remaining food is transferred to insect. So while the insect, maybe grasshopper, is also come to catch the food. Come to catch means take the grass, but the remaining food is transferred to the insect. So the insect is also utilizing some quantity of food, some quantity of energy for their activity, their metabolic activities. The excess amount of the energy is stored in the body. So this excess amount of energy, while the frog is depending on the insect, this energy transferred to the frog. So frog is also getting some food for their metabolic activities. Here also same, some of the organisms means frog is also using the half of the food. The remaining half is stored in their body. That energy that energy is transferred to the next level, that is snake. Snake is also receiving, means consuming the frog, as a result getting the energy also. The last stage, the top, eagle. Eagles always depend on snake. So snake having some excess energy in their body or in their body. So that energy transferred into the third level, means last level, eagle. So this is a sequence of the transferring the energy, one organism to another organism and the another organism to the last. So this type of arrangement in a biologically we want to say some different words. The producers means producing the food. Herbivores means the grass depending organism or grass eating organism, we want to say herbivores, herb, small plants eating. And the primary consumers means the small insect consumer. Those who are consumed, that is called primary consumers. Here is a frog is a primary consumer. The frog always depend on small organisms like the grasshopper, some other insect as a food. So frog is a primary consumer. And snake is a secondary consumer. So the frog is also depend as a food, frog and little bigger organisms or species as a food. And here is also eagle is depend on snake. So this eagle in this food chain, the eagle is a top consumer, the last consumer. So we want to say that's a top consumer. Then after this eagle is died, that going to decomposes. The help of decompose the eagle. So one more stage is the decomposes. After death, the decomposes, the microorganisms decompose the eagle, mix it with the soil. So that food, that and remaining parts used in the decomposes, the last stage. So here the top carnivores means eagle. Here I am going to explain the types of habitat. Examples of habit means examples of food chain. Examples of food chain. So I am already explained the terrestrial food chain. Terrestrial food chain means this grasshopper like that. This type of chain is called terrestrial. It is only in the land. So now I want to explain some different one as an aquatic food chain. Aquatic means water. In water bodies, some of the food chain, we are seeing some of the food chains. That one, the first one, algae and the protozoans and small crustaceans and small fishes and the large fishes. This is a sequence of the aquatic food chain. Sequence of aquatic food chain. So what is meant by algae? I hope all of you know this word algae. Algae means in stayed water. Stayed water means that can't run off. That's always stay in the one particular place, like a pond. So after this, few days after what happened, we are seeing the one greenish color over the water, means surface of the water. We are seeing a green color. So that is an algae. So this algae, some of the organisms depend. So here, the protozoans is a small organisms. They always depend the algae in their food, as a food. So the protozoans, the small organisms, and the small crustaceans. Small crustaceans means the small organisms that are also living in the water, surface of the water. So these small crustaceans depend the protozoans as a food. So here, small fishes. The small fishes using as a food the small crustaceans, and after the large fishes also depend the food as a small fishes. So here one sequence of food is given here. So the large fish depend on the small fishes as a food, and the small fishes depend on the small crustaceans that live in the water, and the small crustaceans always depend the protozoans, and the protozoa always depend the algae as a food. It is a best example of the aquatic food chain. So here the terrestrial food chain is not only one, it's also two food chain, two level food chain, three level food chain, four level food chain. So I will give you a few examples of the two level food chain. That means two-step food chain. One, plants to man. Plants and man. So man always eating the plants as their food. So it is a two-step food chain. Two-step food chain. And one more example, three-step food chain is also the plants, deer, and lion. It is the best example of the three-step food chain. The three-step means the first step is the plants, and second step is the deer, and third step is lion. Like the four-step and five-step food chains in our terrestrial food chain. So here I am introduced what is mean by food chain and the types of food chain, and the types of food chain means the terrestrial food chain and the aquatic food chain. The terrestrial food chain again classified means again some different types, two-step food chain, three-step food chain, four-step food chains also. So I hope all of you understood this topic. Thank you.